Do you want to turn off calling on X? You can disable voice and video call on Twitter with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off audio and video calling on X, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded section, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with multiple settings options. From here, find and tap on Privacy and Safety. Again, a new screen will appear with different privacy options. From here, tap on Chats, which controls messaging and calling features. Now, look for the option Enable Audio and Video Calling. Disable the toggle switch button next to it. Once done, no one will be able to start audio or video calls with you on X.